It's time to water the indoor plants. I usually water them once a week, either Saturday or Sunday morning. These are our indoor plants. This one is my favorite. I love this one. Fiddle fig. So I bring them outside. I water them outside. And just take them off their bases or their containers. Look at this. This is a very pretty flower. It's like cactus is pretty. Look at that. It's like really tall now, all the way up there.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. I need help with.
How are you?
Good. Only this side, not the other side. The dog is not here. The dog is with the trainer. You can just hold the train.
A stick?
The string. Yeah, you just hold it and then it will open.
Okay, okay. No problem. Thank you.
Thank you. I got the flowers. It's like flowers. They cut these flowers and I'll just bring them inside. I'm going to give our gardener like beer since I asked him to do like some extra stuff. I think these are like German beer. So I'm going to give him like Stella Artois. And then his assistant, I'm going to give water. Here's the bougainvillea. Here, he went to the Filipino husband got from Seafood City, from Filipino grocery store. So ubi ice cream, this is like the mango juice, and then like the London juice. So I need to put this on the fridge first before it melts. I love ubi ice cream. And then he got pampano. I think this is pampano, and then this is like pork belly. Oh no, this is baby back ribs. I am making sinigang. I like baby back ribs for pork. Is it baby back ribs or pork ribs?
Baby back pork ribs.
Baby back pork ribs. I like that for like sinigang. When I make sinigang or like shrimp, I like shrimp sinigang too. And then we also got this pancit bihon and vinegar. I don't know why you got vinegar. I told you already have 2 vinegar. And then this is sotanghon. And what else? Oh, like soy sauce. Oh, Yakult, Josh. You want to try Yakult? Is that, yeah, I like Yakult too. And then these are for sinigang mix. And then mung beans. He got mung beans too. He goes to the Filipino grocery store about once a month. So that's where like when we get like when we're craving for like some Filipino food. What is this? Oh, this is fish sauce, patis. And then liquid seasoning. And then some these are coconut milk and jackfruit, green jackfruit for ginatang langka. Mackerel. I like this one too for breakfast. Mackerel. Like you saute this in tomatoes, and then you add, what else do we add? Yeah, you saute in tomatoes and add a little bit of like broth. And I think that's it. Here's our lunch. We have banana heart in coconut milk, salted eggs with tomatoes in vinegar, and then broiled pompano, and then rice and mango juice. How's the food, Josh? You like the food?
Yes.
Which one would you eat first?
The fish.
The fish. Now I'll have ube ice cream. It's ube ice cream. I like ube ice cream. There you go. Yummy. Class, Josh.
It's good.
Good. That's awesome. What do you want to eat? Pizza. Okay. We're done with Josh class now. Now we are going to get pizza.
I'm getting pizza.
Pizza. After swim class, it's pizza time, right?
Right.
Is that our routine?
Routine, yeah.
Swimming, pizza. Swimming, pizza.
Swimming pizza. That would be a funny thing. Pizza that swims.
Yes. How's your class? Do you enjoy it?
Good.
Okay, that's good. Here are the flowers that we got for those pots. We're going to replace those pots with other flowers there that are dying with these ones. And then I always have a picnic blanket on the car just in case we need to go on a picnic. A quick picnic somewhere. So I am going to replace these pots with these new flowers. So these are the flowers that we got for this one. We have 4 of these. So I'll show you when it's done. I already removed the dead plants here, so now I'm going to plant these new ones. So here I am going to put like this cosmos. Look at this cosmos. So there are 6 of this. So I'm going to put 1 or like 2 here, and then the rest on the other pots. Maybe 2. I'll put 2 here. And then what else should I put? Okay, I have like zinnias here too. Look at this, like zinnias. So maybe like an orange zinnia here. What else? I have this one too. This is what is this? This is vinca. So vinca is probably nice here too. So here, maybe vinca. I'll probably add more soil on top later. So this is vinca. Let me that. What else do I need here? What color? This one is so tiny. This should be in front. What else do I need here? Purple one would be nice here, right? This one. Like that. Isn't that pretty? In here, so I added this one. So maybe here I'll put the white vinca. I should have gotten more vinca. Vinca is nice. I only got 3, so the other one wouldn't have like a vinca. We have 4 like pots here. This one, this cosmos. cosmos grows tall, so I put them in the back. And then what else? This one is a really nice, look at this. This is a very pretty zinnia. So I'll put it next to the cosmos. And here are the flowers now. This is a Buena Vista branch library. Bless you, Baba. So we're going to borrow some books. This way. Look for the book. Oh, maybe I'll check with her. I don't know. This is the library. Oh, picture books. I think they arrange a lot of stuff. And so this books for his like book report. This looks like a little scary. No?
No.
In too deep. The Viper's Nest. Oh my. A little scary. Emperor's Code. So like during the week, the next 2 weeks you have to read books, huh? This is Medusa. Ooh. So hurry. This one. Hurry up, Houdini. What else? Night of the Ninth Dragon. You like this? You like that? Go get to what you like to read. I'm not reading this. You are the one reading this. So it has to be something you like to read. Shadow of the Shark. You like that?
Sure.
Sure. High Time for Heroes. Do you know about mommies, right? Knights and Castles.
Don't do that.
I know you like
Like
that.
that.
Knights and Castles.
Sure.
Put them back together nicely when you. Okay, put them back nicely. How many? You can borrow up to 50 books. So I'm not sure which one you don't like. Help you? What are you interested in? What kind of books?